Starting a small business in a challenging economic environment, such as during a period of government instability or economic uncertainty, can indeed present unique challenges. However, with careful planning, adaptability, and perseverance, it's still possible to launch and grow a successful business. Here are some steps to consider. 1. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to identify potential opportunities and niches where your business can thrive despite the economic challenges. Look for areas of unmet needs or emerging trends that your business can address. 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your business idea, target market, competitive analysis, marketing strategy, financial projections, and contingency plans for navigating economic turbulence. A well-thought-out plan will serve as a roadmap for your business and help you stay focused on your goals. 3. Bootstrapping. Given the economic uncertainty, consider starting your business with minimal resources and relying on bootstrapping methods to fund your venture. This might involve using personal savings, borrowing from friends and family, or seeking low-cost financing options. For lean operations. Adopt a lean approach to your business operations, focusing on minimizing expenses and maximizing efficiency. Look for ways to streamline processes, reduce overhead costs, and negotiate favorable terms with suppliers and vendors. 5. Diversification. Explore opportunities to diversify your revenue streams and product offerings to mitigate risks associated with economic instability. Consider expanding into complementary markets or offering additional services that can generate alternative sources of income. 6. Adaptability. Remain flexible and adaptable to changing market conditions and government policies. Stay informed about developments that may impact your business and be prepared to adjust your strategies accordingly. 7. Focus on value. Emphasize the value proposition of your products or services to customers, particularly during times of economic hardship. Highlight how your offerings can address their needs or provide solutions that offer tangible benefits. 80. Build resilience. Build resilience into your business by establishing contingency plans and creating buffers to withstand economic shocks. This might involve building up cash reserves, diversifying your customer base, or investing in technology to improve operational efficiency. 9. Networking. Leverage networking opportunities to connect with other entrepreneurs, industry professionals, and potential customers. Building relationships within your industry can provide valuable support, advice, and resources to help your business succeed. 10. Stay positive and persistent. Finally, maintain a positive mindset and stay persistent in pursuing your business goals, even in the face of challenges. Remember that many successful businesses have been launched during times of economic uncertainty, and resilience and determination can go a long way towards achieving success. Starting a small business in a collapsing government may present additional hurdles, but with careful planning, adaptability, and perseverance, you can overcome obstacles and build a thriving enterprise. 11. Government assistance. Explore government assistance programs, grants, or loans available to small businesses during economic downturns. These programs may provide funding, resources, or support services to help you launch and grow your business. 12. Online presence. Invest in establishing a strong online presence for your business, including a professional website, social media profiles, and e-commerce capabilities. An online presence can help you reach a wider audience and attract customers, even during times of economic uncertainty. 13. Cost-effective marketing. Focus on cost-effective marketing strategies, such as social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, and word-of-mouth referrals. These methods can help you reach potential customers without spending a lot of money on traditional advertising channels. 14 asterisk asterisk customer experience asterisk asterisk. Prioritize delivering exceptional customer service and creating positive experiences for your customers. Happy customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and advocates for your business, helping to drive sales and growth. 15 asterisk asterisk continuous learning asterisk asterisk. Stay informed about industry trends, market dynamics, and new technologies that can impact your business. Invest in continuous learning and skill development to stay ahead of the curve and adapt to changing circumstances. 16 asterisk asterisk partnerships and collaborations asterisk asterisk. Explore opportunities for partnerships, collaborations, or strategic alliances with other businesses or organizations. Partnering with complementary businesses can help you expand your reach, access new markets, and share resources. 17 asterisk asterisk focus on cash flow asterisk asterisk. Monitor and manage your cash flow carefully, especially during periods of economic instability. Maintain sufficient cash reserves to cover expenses and weather any downturns in revenue. 18 asterisk asterisk remote work asterisk asterisk. Embrace remote work and telecommuting options for yourself and your employees, if feasible. Remote work can help reduce overhead costs, increase flexibility, and improve productivity, particularly in uncertain economic times. 19 asterisk asterisk customer feedback asterisk asterisk. Seek feedback from your customers regularly and use it to improve your products, services, and overall business operations. Listening to your customers' needs and preferences can help you stay competitive and adapt to changing market conditions. 20 asterisk asterisk seek professional advice asterisk asterisk. Consider seeking advice from mentors, business coaches, or professional advisors who can provide guidance and support as you navigate the challenges of starting and growing a business in a challenging economic environment. By incorporating these strategies into your business planning and operations, you can increase your chances of success and build a resilient and thriving business, even in the face of economic uncertainty. Of course, here are 10 additional tips for starting a small business in a challenging economic environment: Asterisk asterisk focus on essentials asterisk asterisk. Prioritize offering products or services that address essential needs or solve pressing problems for your target market. During economic downturns, consumers tend to prioritize spending on necessities. So, aligning your offerings with essential needs can help maintain demand for your business. 22 asterisk asterisk frugality asterisk asterisk. Embrace frugality in your business operations by minimizing unnecessary expenses and finding creative ways to save money. Look for opportunities to cut costs without compromising quality or customer experience. 23 asterisk asterisk build a strong brand asterisk asterisk. Invest in building a strong and memorable brand identity for your business. A well-defined brand can help differentiate your business from competitors and build trust and loyalty with customers, even in a challenging economic environment. 24 asterisk asterisk flexible pricing asterisk asterisk. Offer flexible pricing options to accommodate customers with varying budgets. Consider offering discounts, promotions, or payment plans to make your products or services more accessible during tough economic times. 25 asterisk asterisk focus on customer retention asterisk asterisk. While attracting new customers is important, don't overlook the importance of retaining existing customers. Invest in strategies to build customer loyalty and encourage repeat business, such as loyalty programs, personalized offers, and excellent customer service. 26 asterisk asterisk monitor economic indicators asterisk asterisk. Stay informed about economic indicators and trends that could impact your business, such as unemployment rates, consumer spending habits, and industry-specific data. Understanding the broader economic landscape can help you make informed decisions and adjust your strategies accordingly. 27 asterisk asterisk diversified revenue streams asterisk asterisk. Explore opportunities to diversify your revenue streams by offering complementary products or services, expanding into new markets, or tapping into alternative revenue sources. Diversification can help mitigate risk and stabilize your income during economic downturns. 28. Stay agile. Maintain agility and flexibility in your business operations to quickly adapt to changing market conditions and customer needs. Be willing to pivot your business model, adjust your strategies, and experiment with new ideas to stay ahead of the curve. 29. Stay positive and resilient. Maintain a positive attitude and cultivate resilience in the face of challenges. Starting and running a business in a challenging economic environment requires perseverance, determination, and the ability to bounce back from setbacks. 30. Seek support networks. Surround yourself with a supportive network of fellow entrepreneurs, mentors, advisors, and industry peers who can provide guidance, encouragement, and valuable insights as you navigate the ups and downs of entrepreneurship. By implementing these tips and strategies, you can increase your chances of success and build a resilient business that can thrive even in the midst of economic uncertainty. Certainly, here are 10 additional tips for starting a small business in a challenging economic environment: 3.1. Focus on quality. Emphasize the quality of your products or services to differentiate your business from competitors. Providing superior quality can help you attract and retain customers, even during tough economic times. 32. Embrace innovation. Look for innovative ways to differentiate your business and stay ahead of the competition. Whether it's through product innovation, process improvements, or technological advancements, innovation can help you stand out in a crowded market. 33. Stay customer-centric. Keep your customers at the center of everything you do. Listen to their feedback, understand their needs, and tailor your products, services, and marketing efforts to meet their expectations. 30. Invest in marketing. Allocate resources to marketing efforts that can help you reach and attract potential customers. Consider leveraging digital marketing channels such as social media, content marketing, and search engine optimization to maximize your reach and impact. 35. Build relationships. Invest in building strong relationships with suppliers, partners, and other businesses in your industry. Collaborating with others can help you access resources, share knowledge, and create mutually beneficial opportunities. 36. Manage risk. Identify potential risks and develop strategies to mitigate them. Whether it's financial risks, market risks, or operational risks, having a risk management plan in place can help safeguard your business against unforeseen challenges. 37. Stay compliant. Ensure compliance with relevant laws, regulations, and industry standards. Staying compliant not only protects your business from legal issues, but also helps build trust and credibility with customers and stakeholders. 30. Adapt to trends. Stay informed about market trends, consumer preferences, and industry developments. Being aware of emerging trends and adapting your business strategies accordingly can help you stay relevant and competitive in a changing market landscape. 39. Seek financial support. Explore options for financial support, such as small business loans, grants, or investment opportunities. Securing financial support can provide the capital needed to start and grow your business, especially during challenging economic times. 40. Stay persistent. Finally, stay persistent and resilient in pursuit of your business goals. Building a successful business takes time, effort, and perseverance. So stay focused on your vision and keep pushing forward, even when faced with obstacles. By incorporating these tips into your business strategy, you can increase your chances of success and build a resilient business that can withstand the challenges of a challenging economic environment. If you want more knowledge, like and subscribe for more.